What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today I'm doing a quick video on this 2007 Chevy Silverado 1500 crew cab. Truck just came out of Florida. It's just ready for sale now. Anyway, I'm gonna go over this truck real quick. You probably wouldn't believe it. It's it's a 07. It's got 185,000 miles. And I would easily put this truck up against some of the trucks out there mechanically that have 50, 60,000 miles. This truck was super well cared for. It's been through my service department. We serviced it up, a couple ball joints, some basic stuff, oil pan gasket, just to make sure it's extremely perfect mechanically. So very, very nice truck. 3.5-inch upper control arm kit from Rough Country, 20x12s, 33's. Again, check it out. Excuse me. So Southern truck, straight out of Florida. You can see on the frame, zero rust. The body's in extremely good shape. Very minimal damage on the outside. Maybe a few rock chips here or there. Nothing crazy at all. Undercarriage perfectly clean. Now take that back. These are actually 22s, so 2212s and 33s. About 95% tread left. It's got tons and tons of small upgrades. This is a center console truck, which is a lot more rare in these trucks. A lot of them have the split seats up front. This is a full center console. So the only damage on the that I can really point out on the inside, a little bit of seat wear. You got wear on the center armrest, and there's a little tiny cut mark on the passenger seat. Other than that, 07, 185,000 miles, this truck is almost immaculate. It's a super nice truck. Again, mechanically, I'd put it up against any of them out there on the market. So generally, when you see these trucks in this good a shape, inside and out, mechanically, these customers have always taken just as good a care of them mechanically as they did, cosmetically. The wheels look, almost close to new. And so again, a lot of my old school guys that we've sold trucks to, they get a little hesitant when they're over 100,000 miles. But, at the same token, the old school guys don't realize, technology's gotten a ton better, since late 90s, early 2000s. These 5.3 motors from Chevrolet, they're known to last 300,000-400,000 miles if you take care of them. So, technology's way better. So 180,000 miles on a truck like this, in reality, is really not that much in comparisons to a truck like that had that type of mileage back in the 90s. So, again, 07, 185,000 miles. Like I said, overall, very good shape. There's a list of upgrades on my website that tells you everything and anything about the truck. I'll have a full service ticket on it, so if you need to know any particulars, I can also tell you that. So anyway, if you're interested, give us a shout. Like I said, mechanically guaranteed as nice as a 50,000 mile truck. Call us direct, 540-898-1300. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more trucks like this. Also on our Instagram, DLUX_motorsports. Till next truck. See ya.